Okay. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Nice and snug. Okay, now you made it more awkward, but it's easier to dangle it like this now. When you're bored, you dangle it. This piece of rope could be useful for something also. You can unravel it. Piece of paracord on the Swiss Army knife can be used as many small strings, like so. This is really strong. This is so annoying. Still makes noises. I guess you could hold it like this. But it's noisy ring here. How to fix this? No need for the whole lanyard. Heat shrink tubing. You could make this, open it and use it as a fishing hook. Yep, some heat. Okay, wiggle and pull. Oh wow, perfect. You've never seen this before, I bet. This is really so smooth and it will stay locked there. This is a secret way of using a Swiss Army knife. Place a bit of shrink tubing here. The Victorinox should change it. They should add a piece of rubber here on this ring to make it smooth.